how long have you been working at Unavailable, or
Too long.
from? Because you started it, right?
We did, yeah. We started. We back in 1999, still being at university, I started a business with a clothing label called Martial Artist with a buddy of mine who was then one of the creative directors of Star Wars. We put together a label, and we met my now business partner Darren, who my other business partner then knew him back in the day. He'd already moved to Vietnam and was already working in the garment industry. We tried to produce in Australia, and it was just ridiculously expensive. It was the limitations were huge. You know, you couldn't do this, you couldn't do that. It was very basic. So he came over one day and said, "Well, you should come produce in Vietnam." And I said, "Oh, we'll take a look." And thought, we'll have a go. And we started from there. So myself and my other business partner, he was down in Australia. I moved back to the UK, where I'm from. We started pushing our own brand, and whereas Darren, my now business partner, started growing our factory here. And I would bring over clients and streetwear clientele back in the day, and we started growing the company, and we just went from small to slightly bigger.
Well, thank you, Paul, for your time.
No problem.
If you're interested to know more about Paul and his factory, unavailable.net, his contact information is below. Feel free to contact him directly. Thanks, and have a great day. Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.